After further research on both of these paintings, I was able to come up with a list of some similarities and differences. So in this video, I will be contrasting the two paintings. First off, the painting on the left is titled a Cuca. It was created in 1924 by Teresa do El Maro, and it was an oil on canvas. The painting on the right is, it's called Our Lady of Sorrows. It was created by Maria Izquierdo in 1943, and the difference is on this one, it was painted on its oil on board. So opposed to the canvas that a Cuca was painted on, this one was painted on a wooden board, which I think is very cool. First of all, one thing that both these paintings have in common is the use of vibrant colors. The Cuca uses bright greens, blues, yellows, a little bit of pinks, and Our Lady of Sorrows uses like greens, reds, yellows, blues, pinks. But both these paintings are very vibrant and just create that feeling of joy, and your eye just, all the colors pop because they're very vibrant. A difference that I noticed between these two paintings is the overall subject and theme of the painting. On the left, a Cuca, this painting was based off a mythological creature. As you can see, it appears to look like a wolf of some sort, but it's actually a mythological creature that could be depicted in a children's book. And the painting on the right, Our Lady of Sorrows, Maria Izquierdo was a Mexican painter, so she liked to incorporate a lot of Mexican heritage into her paintings. So this is what appears to be Day of the Dead. As you can see, papal picados are hung up around the woman that is praying, and on the ofrenda it appears to be a lot of oranges, like a candle that is fallen over, but just the overall meaning and messages of these paintings are different. Another difference that I saw was a Cuca on the left appears to be there doesn't appear to be as much texture as there is on Our Lady of Sorrows on the right. If you look at the grass, for example, the grass at Our Lady of Sorrows is, it appears to have texture. It appears that you can see the different strands of grass. While if you look at the grass in a Cuca, it appears to be very smooth. The tree does have a little bit of texture in the leaves, but overall it's not, there's not as much texture in a Cuca as there is in Our Lady of Sorrows. I do believe that both these paintings they're similar and different, but I believe that they are both very unique, special paintings that both convey different meanings, and I overall think both of them are very impressive.